It's a nice house. What do you think?
Insurance is probably one of the last things people think about when they're buying a new home, but it really should be an important factor in the decision-making process.
You're going to be paying for insurance as long as you own your home. So you need to calculate this into your budget along with your mortgage, taxes, and the overall cost of maintaining your home.
The Insurance Information Institute recommends that potential home buyers keep in mind factors that affect insurance. And these include the distance from a fire department. Is it near or far? And is it professional or volunteer? Houses located near a fire department with professional firefighters cost less to insure. Next, look at the home's plumbing and electrical systems. These can become unsafe with age or lack of maintenance, or outdated as safer technologies are introduced. So insurance for homes with unsafe or older systems will cost more. Third on the list is high exposure to hurricane-force winds. Is the home on or near the beach? If so, it may be more costly to insure than homes that are inland. Find out whether private sector insurance is available, or if there is a state-run insurance program. Another issue is the size of any windstorm deductible, which can be much higher than deductibles for other parts of the policy. Next is flood insurance. Most homes need flood insurance and is not part of a standard home insurance policy. It must be purchased separately from the federal government. Flood insurance can be affordable, starting at $119 according to the National Flood Insurance Program, and increases with the level of flood risk and the amount of coverage needed. For more information about flood insurance, go to floodsmart.gov. It's the same with earthquake risk. Like flood insurance, earthquake insurance is also sold separately. Next on the list, check to see if the home is well built and well maintained. Houses built by careful craftsmen and those built to meet modern engineering-based building codes are likely to better withstand natural disasters. Consider hiring a home inspector who knows the latest building codes and how buildings in the community were built during certain years, so that you will be aware of some of the risks just mentioned.
Before buying a home, it's important to contact your agent or company representative to find out exactly how much it's going to cost to insure this house. And this includes the cost of flooding or earthquake if you need it. Otherwise, you're going to end up buying a home and finding out it's going to cost a lot more to insure it after you own it.
Insurance agents can also tell you what's covered and what's not. For example, regular maintenance is the homeowner's responsibility. So a small leak ignored by a homeowner would not be covered if it later causes damage. Homeowners insurance also does not cover use of faulty, defective, or inadequate products and building materials. And mold is generally not covered unless it is the direct result of a covered peril, such as a burst pipe. As a general rule, standard insurance is meant to provide coverage for disasters that are sudden and accidental, and is not a substitute for good home maintenance. And finally, ask the owner for a copy of the home's claims history. These reports tell you the number and type of homeowners insurance claims filed by the owner. This information is useful because it tells you the history of water damage, fire, and crime. For more on how to get a claims history report or more tips on insurance, go to the Insurance Information Institute at III.org and the Institute for Business and Home Safety at IBHS.org.